Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. We're on my 2004 Toyota Camry, and I want to show you guys what happens when you neglect taking action on your car early and letting it go. Look at that. Those rotors look like somebody took a cheese grater to it. Look at that. Those rotors look like somebody took a cheese grater to it. So this is exactly what happens when you put off maintaining your vehicle. This is my little bucket car, my beater car, and I heard the noise, but this was the quickest I could get to it, and yeah. Now we're gonna have to buy rotors, not just brakes, but rotors. So we went ahead and bought us a new rotor. Duralast brake rotor. It's gonna be 31260, and it's just your regular Duralast rotor. It's not the gold. We don't need nothing fancy. It's just my work car. So we're gonna be doing a brake job and a rotor job. I've been doing a lot of these, so let's get to it. All right, guys, and as always, we're gonna go ahead and take the brake caliper off, and you got your two fasteners holding it in, one on top, one on bottom. They're both gonna be a 14 millimeter. We're gonna take the caliper off, we're gonna hang it safely, and then we're gonna take out the brakes, clean it all up, grab the new brakes, put some lubricant on them, put the new shims on it, and put it back together. Well, before that, we're gonna take the rotor off. We're gonna take the brake caliper bracket off and then take our rotor off. You guys have seen this 1,000 times, so it's nothing new. We're gonna go through it really quickly. I don't wanna harp on it too much because you guys have already seen this multiple times. So let's go ahead and take this brake caliper off, and then we'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so we got our caliper off and safely hanging. So now we're gonna check out the damage. Still got a little bit left on them, but not looking too good, and uneven wear. So that's the inside. The inside is not scored up like the outside, so I'm anxious to see what this outside looks like. Ooh, look at that. Bare metal, guys. That's embarrassing. Look at that. That is embarrassing. That's what happens when you neglect to take care of problems on your vehicle right away and you procrastinate. So now we're gonna have to replace our rotor. Look how bad that is. So let's get this bracket off and move on. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take the bracket off. And as always, you have two fasteners, one here on top, one on bottom, and they're gonna be a 17 millimeter. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off, take the bracket off. Okay, guys, so with the rotor, it just pulls right off. Nothing holding it in like some rotors. So as you can see, it's really scoring up. The backside is not that bad. But regardless, we're replacing it, and we're replacing the brake pad. So let's grab the new one, clean it up, and throw it on. Alright, guys, so these pins are supposed to freely move in and out, and they're not budging. And as you can see, it's very coated. It's not even wanting to come out. I got this one to come out, but it's sticking. So we're gonna pull this out and clean all this out and re-lubricate it up, because this is really bad. It's supposed to move in and out, and it's not able to, and I think that's what's also contributing to some of the brake problems we've been having. So let's go ahead and clean this all up. Alright, guys, so we got it cleaned up and lubricated, so now it goes in and out a lot easier now. So now we're gonna go ahead and put them on and get this all put back together. All right guys, so we cleaned our rotor off, took all the thin layer of oil off, got our brake caliper bracket on, and we got Duralast gold ceramic brake pads. It's gonna be DG 908. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on and get this thrown back together. So let's keep going. So these brakes come with all the hardware that you need, and here's the brake pads. So let's go ahead and put these on. So we're gonna go ahead and put the clip in, and they just snap right in, guys, just like that. All right guys, so we got everything put back on, torqued down to spec, looking good. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the tire on and call this a day. We're gonna go ahead and, this is the driver's side, we're gonna do the passenger side, but it's always exactly the same, and I'm not gonna draw this video out any longer than it needs to be. So we're gonna go ahead and end it here, and then we're gonna do the passenger side and call it a day. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. Please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always guys, until next time, have a good one.